Hello, my name is Nathan from Cubing Productions, and today I will be teaching you how to solve a Pyraminx. So first, I will pick a face, and that will be my bottom for now. So now I want to make my tips. This is the tip. Match these down triangles, the triangles that are facing down. So I will turn them until one matches, and if one matches, then all of them would match. So now I'm going to look at this down triangle and turn it until it matches. Now it matches. Turn this until it matches. Turn the blue down triangle until it matches. Now all of these match. The tips match the down triangles. Now I'm going to turn it. The tip matches the down triangle, tip matches the down triangle, but they don't right here. I'm going to turn it, and now they all match. Now I'm going to turn it again, and they all match. So now I am done. Make sure your bottom is still facing the bottom. Now this is the part where you solve the first layer. So I will look for my down triangles and see which ones are here. So like, I want a down triangle here, a down triangle here, and a down triangle somewhere here, but there's nothing. I'm going to look, there's a down triangle here, so I'm going to turn it over. There's one here, I'm going to turn it over, so they match the same face. And there's one here. This is where I don't ignore the bottom anymore. Now I'm going to turn it back up. Now, I have all my red down triangles facing me. Now I will solve the red side, and that would solve the first layer. So I'm going to find a red edge. Here's one. And it is a red and blue. So I'm going to find a blue down triangle. And that tells me that if it's red and blue, this should be right here. So I will turn this. Oh, that was wrong. I will turn, let's see, this down and up over here. And then get this back to match that. I'm gonna turn it over here and get it back here. So now I'm gonna use something I call elevator to get it to this spot. So I'm going to turn it, get this out of its spot, and bring it back here. Now, we're not going to pay attention to this anymore. We're going to pay attention to this, red and green. So that will go right here. So I'm going to bring this down. Here's the wrong one. I'm going to bring this over so it matches the down triangle, and bring it up. And now I just took it from here and put it here in its correct spot. Now here's another one. And I know this goes here because it's the red and yellow. So I will turn this over. Wait, no, that wasn't right. First I will turn that out of the way. This here. Wait. So I need to find a way to bring this over here. So see, we're not going to pay attention to this one. We're going to pay attention to this one. The red and the blue goes red and blue. So that will go right here. I will turn it there. Take it out. Bring this back. Now I will turn this twice, turn this up, and turn it back twice. I just moved it from here to here. And now my red side is solved. But I don't have the first layer. So I just need to flip these two. So I'm going to turn that out, and turn this out. Now I kept this, but now I just need to get these to the correct spots. So that, here's the wrong one, and I bring it over, and now I just moved it to the correct spot. Bring this down, over, up, into the down triangle, and over. Now I solved my red side, and I also solved the first layer. See. This is solved, this is solved, and this is solved. And the red side is solved. So now I'm just going to match the down triangles to the up triangles. I'm going to turn this, and now they match. So I have a piece that's in the correct spot and the correct orientation, and I don't want that. So I'm going to do an algorithm to get it out of that spot, which is R, upper inverse, R inverse, upper inverse, R, upper inverse, and then an R inverse. And now I just took it out of the correct spot, correct orientation. Now I have a blue matching the blue down triangle, but this doesn't match that down triangle. So that's good. Now I'm going to turn it this way. This doesn't match the down triangle. So instead of turning this way, I will turn this way. This does match the down triangle. I'm going to turn it this way. This one doesn't. The one that doesn't match the down triangle will go in the back. Now I'm going to look here. This piece matches the down triangle, and this one doesn't. If this one doesn't match the down triangle, I'm going to do an algorithm that goes like R inverse L clockwise, right clockwise, and then L counterclockwise. And now since I have two not matching right here, I will do an algorithm that will solve it. Because these two aren't matching. These two aren't matching. This one is matching. This one's not matching. So I'm going to find the two matching that are a sideways triangle and do this. U, upper inverse, left inverse, upper inverse, left. Your Pyraminx would be solved. Not done. This is just scrambling it in a way. You might have something that's scrambled like this, where these two are like that. Like these two are the same, these two are the same, these two are the same, but they don't match their down triangles. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn the ones that are the same to their correct side, and depending on, you want to move this down triangle into this slot, and this one into this slot, and this one into this slot. So you're going to go R, U, R, I, U, R, U, I, U, and R, I, then a U. Now we'd solve it. This will scramble it to in a different one. Now let's say it's like this, where you want to move them counterclockwise. You're going to do this. R, U, I, R, I, U, I, R, U, I, then R, I, and then a U, I. And then that would solve it. Thank you.